Good morning and welcome to Vlogmas day 6. Today we've been having a bit of a chill day. I think it's almost noon, but I've been prepping some videos for Vlogmas and I've been watching Selling Sunset. I've started it yesterday and I think I'm almost done. This show is so good. Like it's pretty good. It's addicting. Once you start it, you just want to keep watching it. So that's what I've been doing. I'm hoping to get out of the apartment at some point, but we shall see where the day takes us. Makeup, very natural, not too much, a little bit of mascara, concealer, a little bit of blush, that's it. Oh, and highlight, but that's it. Very natural and I like it. I also redid a few of my curls this morning with my crimper. Not too many, but I redid a few. Obviously, like, they did fall out. My hair is pretty dirty, so I'm just lucky that it looks okay. What's up? I just finished making a few TikToks. I wanted to film a few Vlogmas videos, but I am running out of time today and the light is going down, so I think I'm just gonna keep it for tomorrow. I have time tomorrow anyway, but I just made myself a wrap and I had to show you because, like, this looks so yummy. It's like huge and it looks yummy, so I'm gonna eat that. It's chicken with a bit of mayo and then some aioli, lettuce, and some onions and a lot of pepper. And cheese. I usually don't put cheese, but I was craving cheese, so I'm gonna eat my wrap and then we're gonna get ready. We're gonna go to the Christmas market. I'm so excited to go to the Christmas market, and I think I'm gonna let Coco go outside. Coco, do you want to go outside, hun? Do you want to go outside? Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna let him go outside. I don't know how long he's gonna be there because there's snow, but I'm gonna let him go outside and eat my lunch, and then I will bring you guys along to the Christmas market. All right, so I got dressed to go to the Christmas market. I'm wearing this shirt from H&M. It is like this chunky knit turtleneck and it is my favorite shirt so far that I have owned this year, and it is like, I just love it, and it was $35, so like, duh, I was keeping this for sure. I've got some old jeans from Garage on, and I'm trying to decide which hat I should wear. So let me show you guys the options, although I know you guys can't help me decide. I did put a poll up on Instagram to see which one people prefer, so hopefully I'll have an answer through that, or else I'm gonna have to make this decision by myself. But let me show you guys the two hats. All right, I've got this one with the pom-pom, and then I've got this one with no pom-pom. But like, what are we thinking? Like, I don't know. Let me show you what they look like on. So this is the beanie with no pom-pom with this big sweater. The thing that I love about this beanie is that the color matches a lot with the sweater. I think this is definitely like a really cute option with my puffer. I think that would look so cute, and then the mermaid waves just like put the whole outfit together, I feel. But let me show you the other hat. And this is the other one. What I love about this one is the color is not exactly the same as the sweater, but the texture is very similar, and then the pom-pom is absolutely cute. And I absolutely love it. And then again with the mermaid waves, I think it just looks really nice. I honestly don't know what I prefer. This one has like the big like band around that's like really cute. Like, obviously it's just folded, but I feel like that just adds to the hat and the overall look. So I'm like hesitating. I'm not too sure which one I prefer. Which one would you choose? Because I don't know. I honestly don't know. Okay, so I ended up posting it on Instagram and everyone's saying put the other hat on. But then I asked Alex and he said this one looks cuter. So I don't know anymore because everybody voted for the other hat. So I'm like, what do I wear now? I've got a complicated decision to make, so I'm gonna have to try the other one on again. The only thing I didn't do is show my outfits. I feel if I would have shown my outfit, maybe the outcome would be different, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna try the other hat on again, and I will probably vlog once I'm in the car and you guys will see which one I ended up picking. So I tried on the outfit and I'm not loving the jeans with the boots, so I might end up putting my leggings on. I think that might be the move. Oh, this is a complicated outfit to pick. Like, picking an outfit doesn't need to be that complicated. Also, I think I'm gonna go with this hat because everyone voted for it and it looks really nice with the super puff. Okay, we made our way to the car, but we're not going to the Christmas market anymore because it's closed, or it closes at 4. Well, it's actually 4 right now. We were gonna leave at 3:30 because Alex was finishing up a project and it took a lot longer than he thought it was going to take. And then at that moment I was like, maybe I should check and see what time it closes at, and turns out it closed at 4. So we're going to the mall. I have a return to do and we want to go buy more Nespressos. I think they have a Christmas flavor for the Nespressos.
I think, well, they said they were gonna have one.
They have a few, but there's only one that's like interesting. It's like a gingerbread one, which I think that one's gonna be good, but the other two I'm like, or other three I don't care for. But then we're gonna get a few other ones that we personally love. I don't think we're gonna get a lot, maybe like 5 slits or something like that.
Yeah, not that many.
Not too many. Oh my god, that girl has a Christian Dior bag. Like, what are you doing in life to have a Christian Dior bag and live as my neighbor? Like, I want to know, because I want a Christian Dior bag too. Oh my god, there's literally a guy wearing slides outside and no socks. Oh, he just had to get to his car, I think.
Yeah. I guess he just
Anyways.
I don't know, he's going for a drive.
What? Maybe he's going to McDonald's, and the McDonald's like just across the road, so like who cares, right? So anyways, we're going to the mall. I'm gonna bring you guys along. We're gonna go to HomeSense, see if they have cute Christmas mugs, because if you guys saw one of my last vlogs, I couldn't find any because they didn't have any, which was kind of sad. So we're gonna check. If they don't have any, then that's fine. If they do, then we might come home with new mugs. All right, we're at the mall and we just went to Nespresso. Turns out they still have the pumpkin spice latte, like, or pumpkin spice sleeves. So we just got a pumpkin spice sleeve. And then we got 2 of their special edition for Christmas time. I think gingerbread. What was the other one? Like vanilla?
Well, I mean, it's just a limited edition one.
But it's
I don't know if it was
what's the name? Vanilla?
It's Forest Almond
Vanilla. Forest Almond Vanilla. So we're gonna try that once we get home. Now we're going to HomeSense.
Well, home, maybe not today.
Oh yeah, no, like tomorrow or another day. But now we're going to HomeSense to see if they have any cute Christmas mugs. Also, I did my returns and I realized that I forgot something at home. At least I'm hoping it's at home, because they didn't refund it. So I went back in. They were like, yeah, you didn't have it when you came in, so I have to check at home, make sure that I have it there, because if I don't have it there, then I have no idea where it is. So I'm kind of stressed about that, but it's not the end of the world. Anyways, we're going to HomeSense and I'll talk to you in a bit. We made our way to HomeSense. Look at all the Christmas decor. But now we need to make our way to the Christmas mugs. Look at all the cute blankets. So cute. They have so many cute blankets right now. I love the Christmas blankets. I was vlogging in the mall and this guy gave us his like username from YouTube or something like that.
Yeah, he gave us a little paper.
So Alex is looking it up. I'm kind of curious.
There's nothing.
There's nothing. Okay, well, I'm not surprised. It's kind of funny. I kind of want to get like this blanket here. It's so soft. Alex, touch this blanket.
Oh, wow.
It's so soft. And this one, but I prefer this one. This one is super soft. The only Christmas mug here. Kind of sad. Alex saw it, but he decided not to take it. It's too small for coffees anyways.
Yeah.
There's also like the little Christmas tree ones over there. You can't really see them. But I think this is a fail. I think that for this year, this year we're not getting new Christmas mugs, but we did get a lot of them last year. Yeah, we got a lot last year, so we're just gonna stick with the ones that we got last year. Oh, Milo, always wanting to be in the vlogs. All right, what's up? We are back home, and I thought I would do a little haul of all the Nespressos we got. We got lots. We got the big bag, so I am excited. Okay. Let's start this off. The first ones that we got are the Bianco Fortes, because honestly these are my favorite like full coffee mugs. I think they're so good. Milo. Milo. There you go, baby. So yeah, the first ones we got are the Bianco Forte. These are personally my faves for, like I said, regular coffees. Then we got, I believe, 2 of the double Chiaros. Let me just confirm. Yeah, there we go. So we got 2 of the double espresso Chiaros that are my fave for iced coffee. I tried them out, I think, for the first time like this week or last week, and I fell in love. I absolutely love them. I thought I loved the Bianco Leggero, but like these ones are just so much better. I still like the Bianco Leggero, but if I had to choose, I would go with this one. So we got 2 of those. Then turns out they still had the pumpkin spice latte. They got like a surprise shipment of it. Not a lot. I think they said they had like 20 of these. So we definitely got one of those because we loved the pumpkin spice latte when we tried it out. So we got another one. We got 2 of their Christmas specials. The first one being the gingerbread one. We got 2 of them because we think it's gonna be really yummy, and the guy said he really liked it, so we got that one. And then the other Christmas special we got was the forest almond flavor. So that's gonna be interesting. Wait, I thought there was like vanilla in the forest almond flavor. I think he says it tastes like a bit like vanilla. Also, if you're hearing any noise, it's the 2 cats. They're playing together with the Nespresso bag. Don't worry, I'm watching them. I'm gonna get them out of there in a second. But they're literally playing together. It's so cute. Bea, Milo, what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? All right, Bea got out. Anyways, I'm going to put these away. We put them in the cupboard right here. As you can tell, we are almost done. Right now, we've got the Bianco Chiaro. I think it's Chiaro. I keep saying Chiaro, but it's Chiaro. Then we got some decaf, Bianco Leggero, and then the Melosio, which we really, really like too. And I think that's gonna be it for today's Vlogmas. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more, and I will see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Bye, guys.